Hello everyone and welcome to my special video. My name is Nora and tonight I want to share a beautiful, quiet moment with you. In this video, you will learn many useful English action verbs and everyday expressions in a natural, easy way. So come with me. Let's slow down, feel the cozy atmosphere, and enjoy this rainy night together. I wake up slowly in my soft bed. I open my eyes and take a deep, relaxing breath. I stretch my arms high above my head and then stretch my legs too. My bedroom feels so warm and cozy. Good evening, everyone. Look over here. This is my dog. His name is Milo, and he is a lovely Shiba dog. He is very loyal, and he is my best friend. I love him so much. Hi, Milo. I touch your soft fur gently. How are you tonight? Are you happy like me? I give you a big, soft hug because you always make me smile. I love you, Milo. You are such a good dog. The rain is falling softly outside, but my room is warm and Milo is right here with me. I feel so happy and relaxed. This is a perfect cozy night and I like it very much. Now I go to the bathroom to feel fresh and clean. I pick up my toothbrush, put some toothpaste on it, and brush my teeth carefully up and down. Brush, brush, brush. Then I rinse my mouth with clean water. My teeth feel so clean and fresh now. Next, I turn on the water and wash my face. I splash the cold water gently on my cheeks and it feels nice and refreshing. After that, I dry my face softly with a soft towel. My face feels clean and comfortable. Then I take my lotion and apply it on my face. I rub it gently on my cheeks and forehead. My skin feels soft and smooth now, and I feel very relaxed. After that, I walk to the balcony and open the door. I stand quietly and look at the rain. The city lights shine beautifully through the falling rain and the raindrops dance on the buildings. I breathe the fresh, cool air and it feels so quiet and peaceful. Milo comes and stands beside me. Milo, do you like the rain too? I pat your head gently. It is a cozy night and I feel happy and calm with you here. Now I make hot tea. I take a cup and gently place a chamomile tea bag inside. I slowly pour hot water and watch the steam rise softly. The tea smells sweet like flowers. I stir it gently with a spoon. It is warm and very relaxing. Milo, do you want to smell it? After the tea, I start to do some housework. I pick up my dirty clothes, put them into the washing machine, add some soap, close the door, and press start. Look, Milo helps me. He sniffs the clothes and wags his tail happily. Good boy, Milo. You are a funny helper. I laugh because you are so cute. Then I take the vacuum cleaner, turn it on, and vacuum the floor. I move it back and forth until the room becomes clean and fresh. Milo runs around me, barks, and jumps playfully. Housework is always more fun with Milo. I feel good now because everything is clean and fresh. Let's continue our cozy night together. Now I sit at the wooden table near the window. The rain is still falling gently outside, and the soft light from the window makes everything feel peaceful and inspiring. I take my pencil and paper. I start to draw a beautiful fashion design. First, I sketch the long, elegant lines of a pretty dress. Then I add nice details to the sleeves, the neckline, and the flowing skirt. I draw small flowers and soft patterns on the dress because the rain outside the window gives me many good ideas. It makes me feel very inspired and creative. I hold the pencil carefully and continue drawing with a smile. I look out the window for a moment, then I go back to my paper and add more beautiful touches. The sound of the rain on the glass helps me concentrate and makes this moment very relaxing. Milo sits quietly beside me and watches me as I draw. I really enjoy this quiet and creative time. Drawing always makes me feel calm and happy. Now I make dinner. It is comfort food, so it feels warm, tasty, and perfect for a cozy rainy night. First, I take 2 slices of bread. I spread butter on them gently and place the bread in the hot pan. I toast it slowly until it becomes golden and crispy. Then I crack a fresh egg into the pan and fry it gently. The yolk is soft and golden. It looks so beautiful and delicious. Next, I take some chicken pieces. I coat them carefully with flour and fry the chicken in hot oil. It sizzles nicely and becomes crispy and brown on the outside. After that, I cut fresh potatoes into long pieces and fry the French fries until they turn golden and crunchy. Then I boil water in a big pot. I cook the ramen noodles until they are soft. I pour hot soup over them and the ramen steams beautifully. It smells so warm and inviting. Finally, I pour cold Coca-Cola into a tall glass and add some ice cubes. It looks refreshing and bubbly. Milo, dinner is ready. Come here, little one. I have something tasty for you too. I feel so happy while I prepare all this comfort food. The kitchen smells wonderful. Everything looks delicious, and my heart feels full of joy. Now we can enjoy our meal together. Now we eat our delicious dinner on the balcony. The rain falls gently around us, and it feels so nice and peaceful. I sit down at the table and pick up my fork. I cut the golden toast and eat the fried egg with the soft, warm yolk. It is so delicious. Then I take a piece of crispy chicken and share it with Milo. He eats it happily and wags his tail. After that, I slurp the hot ramen slowly. It feels warm and comforting. I sip the cold Coca-Cola with ice. It is refreshing and bubbly. The rain falls softly around us and the city lights shine beautifully in the background. It is really nice to eat together like this on a rainy night. After we finish the meal, I hold my warm teacup with both hands. Now I drink my hot chamomile tea. I sip it slowly and the tea warms me inside. I look out at the beautiful city lights in the rain. They shine and sparkle like tiny stars. I feel so peaceful and happy. Milo sits quietly on my lap. I stroke his soft fur gently, and he feels very calm and relaxed.